Look out, bud. I can't see in there. All I see is your head. Oh, there we go. Oh, look, it's bubbling all over. See? Stuck for a minute. There we go. Bubbling potion. Now what do we do, Christopher?
Now stop.
Stop. Now what? Take it out?
Yeah.
Okay. Look at that.
It's hotter than that. I think.
Ow!
See?
Now what do we put in it?
Now we put some hot sauce and some other soap.
Can you get the other soap? I'll get the hot sauce. Mmm. Oh, hot sauce. I'll be back. Frank's hot sauce. Let's go. We'll go look into our dirty old sink standard underneath the sink garbage can. Here we go. Sunlight. Okay, Chris, we're gonna put some soap in there and some sauce.